Imagine plot of land on which different varieties of crops could be grown. The resources we have to grow desired crops are land, labor, tools, water facilities. Whole of these resources has been used to produce 10 units of cotton by the agriculturists. Later what happens? The agriculturist decides it could be better if I could produce corn also, as there is demand for it and surely profits could be made. But the resource that is there through which it could be produced is limited. There is no expansion in the availability of land, labor, tools, water facilities. It remains the same. Hence, the agriculturist thinks and decides that I can produce corn only if I give up on some amount of cotton production and invest a certain amount of resource that is used for cotton production in producing the corn. As a result of this thought, for producing 1 unit of corn, 1 unit of cotton production is given up. Say it the production possibility of B. A, B, C, D and E represents the different production possibilities. When no corn is produced, the whole resources of the production is invested to produce 10 units of cotton. 0 and 10 is the first production possibility set. After giving up the resource to produce 1 unit of cotton, 1 unit of corn could be produced. 1 and 9 is the second set, represented as B, and so on. Production possibility set is the collection of all possible combinations of goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge. Let us see the graphical representation of the same production possibility set. You can see here that x-axis shows the corn production and y-axis shows the cotton production. When corn production is 0, 10 units of cotton is produced. When corn production is 1, there is 9 units of cotton production. When corn production is 2 units, there is 7 units of cotton production. When corn production is 3 units, there is 4 units of cotton production. When corn production is 4 units, there is no cotton production. That is, at set E, the whole resource is used to produce 4 units of corn. We get a curve after joining all the dots. It gives us the different combinations of corn and cotton. The graphical representation of the production possibility set is called the production possibility frontier. It is a curve that gives the combinations of different goods that can be produced when the resources of the economy are used completely. The same has been given here. The production possibility frontier is a curve that gives the combinations of different goods that can be produced when the resources of the economy are fully utilized. Opportunity cost. Look at the last column. It shows us how much of cotton production had to be given up in order to get and increase the production of corn. At production possibility A, there is nothing that has been given up, but at B, C, D and E, you can notice that certain unit of cotton production has been given up. At set B, 10 minus 9, 1 unit has been given up. At set C, 9 minus 7, 2 units of cotton production has been given up to get 2 units of corn. At D, 7 minus 4, 3. 3 units of cotton production has been given up to produce 3 units of corn. Lastly, 4 minus 0. 4 units has been given up to produce 4 units of corn. The cost that we are giving up or choosing to forgo is the opportunity cost. The cost of having a little more of one good in terms of the amount of the other good that has to be forgone is known as opportunity cost or economic cost of the additional unit of the goods.